Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Cheryl, and today in this episode we are going to make something for fall. And yes, I'm cold. We haven't turned on the heat yet, but it's been rainy, it's kind of chilly, but hey, it is what it is. Anyway, we're going to make a cream cheese cinnamon roll bubble up dessert. I've never made one of these, and I'm just pulling different ones together that I've done research on, and I think it's going to turn out. Well, anyway, let's get started, and I'll bring you down to the workstation. Okay, guys, we're going to make the cream cheese filling first. And I'm using a whipped cream cheese. It's a lot easier to work with if you forget to pull it out. And I have about an eighth of a cup of milk. We might not use it all. I have a half a cup of powdered sugar. So we're going to need roughly about 8 ounces of cream cheese. So this is a 12-ounce container, and I can use the rest on my bagels. So we're going to eyeball about 8 ounces. Just almost all of it. That seems pretty good. And half a cup powdered sugar, and I'm going to add a little bit of this milk, and if it's a little too thick, I'll just add some more. It's easier to add it than take it away. So, and I have my hand mixer here. We're going to mix this up. Okay. That's kind of creamy. That's what we want. We want it looking something like this. Nice and creamy. And I have a 11 by 7 pan here, glass pan. That's the alarm letting me know that the oven is ready. And preheat your oven to 350. And you can use 9 by 13. And I'm going to just spray my pan. Okay. And you're going to need like a 20-ounce can of, I'm using a berry mix. You can use whatever pie filling flavor you like. Excuse me. And I'm using the Grand's cinnamon rolls. Okay. So what I'm going to do is cut these Grand's up first. And we're going to cut them like into eighths. Alright, because they're pretty big. So let's move things around. Let me get my cutting board. Never fails that one or two will always come apart. They can never stay together. And I think Pillsbury needs to do a better job. So we're just going to wind this guy back up. Not a biggie. And cut each piece smaller. Okay. And then I'm just going to put them in my pan. No rhyme or reason, just spread them out. And if you hear any weird noises in the background, that's Farron working on the outside porch from the kitchen. I think this is going to be yummy. And save the icing, okay? Because we're going to use that later on. We'll add it to our little bit of icing that we have. I think this is going to be delicious. Okay. Get this out of the way. So your pan should be filled up like this. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take our filling and we're going to pour it all over this. Okay, and get another. I'll just use a spoon here. And we're just going to pour it all over. And you could add more sugar if you like, but I think this is sweet enough. The pie filling. And I'm going to use this little spatula. Maybe be gentler. And then we're just going to mix it together. Okay? And try to keep them separated as much as you can. Okay. Because we want some berries with our little crust area. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of the cream cheese in, mix it up a little bit, and then top it with a little bit more cream cheese, okay? So we're going to mix some of this in. Then we're going to do dollops. Oh, I think this is going to be great. Okay. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is just take little dollops of the cream cheese. It will spread out when the biscuits rise, okay? Whoops. You don't want to slop it all over the place. Okay guys, we're going to pop this into the oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. All right, I'll bring you back when it's coming out. Before we go into the oven, I decided I want to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top. Give it that little bit of something something. Okay. Just lightly sprinkle. And we're going to call that good. Okay guys, it came out of the oven and it smells delicious. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Looks really good. Okay guys, I heated up the icing and we're just going to drizzle this over it because it's cooled off enough. No rhyme or reason, just however you see fit. I think that's going to be enough. Okay. But there you have it, guys. Our cream cheese cinnamon roll bubble bake. Does not look great. Let me get a couple of plates. We're going to serve this up. Okay. Take this little corner here. It's still a little warm. I think it would be really good if we had some ice cream. I just checked and we didn't. So let me bring you up so you can see That's Farron drilling. See how this tastes. It's still really warm, guys. Mm-hmm. Mm. This is fantastic. Fantastic. Mm-hmm. It's not going to be fantastic for my waistline, but it's yummy in my tummy. This is awesome, guys. You got to make it. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye for now.